Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a secret code to the treasury as I used to provide it daily. If this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So as you can see, like here is the interface of my treasury home screen. So all I need to do, as we used to, like as we familiar to click on the hint like in the value or in the cinema. So here today we are in the bathroom, so just let's click on this icon, which is like curtains. So let's click on it so that the code will be applied for us. So as you can see, like here is the code, which is bomb. So let's write it on my screen so that you can see it clear. Bomb bomb. So let's come for a quest so that we should onboard it and confirm it. So let's go for activities. So let's come for a cold shower. So let's import our code bomb. Let's click on check. So congratulations, I've been getting the correct code. So if this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.